to another video of XB. Chances are you've purchased one of those massage devices at some point in your life. Each of them serves, of course, a specific purpose for different areas of your body. However, I recently discovered one that I would like to share with you guys, and it might just make you bid farewell to your previous device. Introducing the Silvercrest Shiatsu Massage Pillow. It's a compact and versatile device designed to provide soothing massages at home, in the office, or during travel. When opening the box, we see that everything is meticulously organized in plastic bags, and a comprehensive manual is an essential part of the package. Unfolding the massage pillow, we can locate on the side three buttons: one for adjusting the massage speed, another for turning the device on or off, and a third for activating the heating function. The massaging technique is based on the Shiatsu method, which originates from Japan. The term Shi means finger and Atsu means pressure. The massage knobs resemble fingers, with three of them rotating in opposite directions, providing a soothing massage experience. By placing your hands in the loops, you can customize the massage pressure on your muscles. The pillow has a Velcro fastening to keep it securely in place during use, and luckily the cover is removable and can be machine washed at 30 degrees. The built-in heat function adds an extra layer of comfort. It helps to relax tight muscles and improve blood circulation during the massage. You can of course choose whether to activate it or not. You can comfortably settle into your cozy spot because there's a 2.5 meter long cable available for you. To illustrate, my personal discomfort occurs at the upper part of my shoulders and in the vicinity near my shoulder blades, which are marked in red in the pictures. The positioning of the pillow can play a role in managing discomfort. The approach to use the pillow may differ depending on where your pain exactly is localized. To demonstrate the straightforward process of positioning the pillow on your neck or back by adjusting its placement, you can specifically target the area where you desire the massage or identify the muscle that requires the most attention. Please keep in mind that using the massage pillow on a sofa tends to be more convenient. To more effectively target my back and neck muscles, I also position the pillow vertically. This adjustment allows for distinct massage sensations due to the circular movement in both orientations. The pillow allows you to massage also your lower back muscles. It provides effective relief in that area. The pillow is versatile and can address not only neck and back muscle discomfort, but also provide relief for cramping muscles in your lower legs. It caters to multiple areas of discomfort effectively. This Shiatsu massage pillow provides a deep tissue massage, effectively targeting knots and tension points. The soft, flush fabric feels gentle against the skin, enhancing comfort during use. I was so thoroughly convinced of the effectiveness of this excellent device that I not only created a review video about it, but also purchased it 3 times. Even my family members were equally impressed and convinced by its performance. For your information, recently a smaller version of the device has been introduced, also with a higher price. I personally tested the smaller device, but it didn't live up to my expectations. Not only was it less powerful, but it also didn't justify the additional cost.